Cyber intelligence alternative to offset online sedition by in website image analysis through web crawler cyber forensics. Introduction. A cybercrime is an illegal act that involves the usage of internet. In cybercrimes such as debit cards, credit cards, frauds, hacking, and unauthorized access, virus attack, denial of service attacks, fake profiles on social media, IPR violations, cyber terrorism, e-commerce, investment fraud, cyber stacking, identity theft, data handling, etc. And more as the internet usage rises. The crime scenario in the society has become twofold, both online and offline. With the advent of the internet, the crime is owing to the abusive usage of image in the homepage of the aforementioned culprit website. The image using is, needless to say, nationally abusive during 2011 to 14, owing the mention of government of Telangana during a time span when there was no such government formed by any constitutional provision such as enactment through parliament. In other words, basically the website used such mention in the image notwithstanding the unauthentic means. Now related work. The literature survey carried out as related to the such work presented in this paper is as follows. The first spade work was a work related to the cybercrimes involved in the case study was presented. In elaboration of the work was taken up and issues were presented on better grounds of issues and details. In as the research gained ground in the cyber forensic evidence of the cybercrimes was thoroughly captured and presented on more elaboration of reporting and recording the details. The work in 6 to 10 delineates the RTI Act impact of to defy the conditions that were against the pursuing for the field reporting and ensuring the registration of the cybercrime to successfully prevail upon the public authorities for the right information in the information technology era. Now, ICT and cybercrime. Information and communication technology (ICT) enables society to create, collect, consolidate, communicate, manage, and process information in multimedia and various digital formats for different purposes by using telecommunication techniques. With the rapid advances in ICT, people are doing business and making social communication efficiently. ICT has now brought the countries and people closer together, but at the same time, the criminals are also allowed to the vulnerable tasks. So, cybercrime has become now a big threat in professional and public sectors. Cyber criminal sedition case study. CGOT, a cyber criminal organization, has been prevalent in the JNTUH academic environment in last several years. It maintained a website which is the base for its cybercrime. This culprit organization perpetrated cybercrimes over the internet, and the website was used to organize quite many a section of university population in JNTUH. Nearly 1,000 people got registered in the website. The cyber forensic evidence obtained from the web crawler to Wayback Machine as well as the external to the web are shown here to prove the crime or guilt. The case status information snapshot from cyber police website is also shown as below. Proof for the complaint which is registered. Next, complaint which is registered. In response to the complaint imaged and as in figure 3, a crime of identified theft under section was registered as depicted in the FIR copy images. It interests as to who is it at loss and what is at loss in the cybercrimes case study. In other words, the impact analysis analytical and financial cybercrime money is at loss and personal victim is involved. The money amount is easily figured. For example, when an amount is fraudulently transferred online, the amount is reflected in the victim's bank account passbook updation. Conclusion. Our research work is with respect to cybercrimes involved in the activities of an organized group in JNTUH Telangana, which has been purportedly under FI government of Telangana. An image in the website of JNTUH JAC during 2011 to 14 captured the cybercrimes involved in a website by the twin organizations JNTUH JAC and CSGOT. In the cybercrimes case study of CGOT, the forensic evidence internal to the web as well as that external to the web could be put together to prove the cybercrime. Next, the sedition crime was neglected by the law enforcement agencies. The cybercrime is to be registered as a sedition crime because the logo used gives visual representation of mention of government of Telangana. The results of work indicate that the loss of national consciousness of the public, particularly the teachers and the students in the JNTUH academic environment, and the resultant deleterious effect on the general public. The stakeholders of the JNTUH academic environment should be sensitized about the crime of sedition do not recur so as to ensure national solidarity and integrity. This is our guideline to the government in Telangana at the union level as well as at the state level to take measures to defuse the fake government of Telangana. The work depicted the scenario of image analytics from a perspective that is different from the traditional image processing perspective. The results of the cybercrime analytics in the context of image analytics presented our for successful endeavors for the development of national consciousness, national unity, national solidarity, national spirit, and national unity among the educated elites, who will be the torchbearers for the promotion of the same among the general public for successful digital